With our new Chromebooks being pen enabled, there are some pretty neat built-in tools, and they're called your stylus tools, and they're actually down here. They're a new button, and I'm actually pointing them out with one of the tools, laser pointer tool. But when you click on that button, you get a whole menu of options, and so you can see the types of things that you can do, and we'll run through what these do real quick. So the capture region and the capture screen are very similar. Just one allows you to choose a specific part of your screen versus your entire screen when you're doing a screen capture or a screenshot. So let's say, for example, I wanted to grab something from a website. So I can capture a region, and maybe I just want this graphic. Okay, and maybe I want the words as well. So when I choose that, it's going to quickly copy that to my clipboard, but I can also click that button that says annotate image. And when I do that, it's going to automatically put that picture into a Google Keep. And now that it's in Google Keep, I can actually write over the top of this. So the nucleus is really important, and I need to write out why it's important, or I want to take my notes. Anything I want to do, I can draw and annotate over the top of this image. So that happens with both the screen capture and the capture screen. The difference being, again, just the whole screen versus a region. The next option is to create a note. And so when I click on create a note, it's going to again open up Google Keep. This time it's blank. It doesn't have a picture inserted, but now I'm ready to just write and go. So if I wanted to take my notes in class, okay, I could do that. And you can see that it's pretty accurate. It looks like my writing. My hand is actually touching the screen when I was writing because I'm using the pen and the palm rejection. It allows for a very natural writing experience. So again, now that I'm in the Google Keep, this note I can share with someone else in class, a teacher. I can collaborate at the same time. Lots of things. We'll look at Google Keep later. So moving down the options, the next option is the laser pointer. So when I click the laser pointer, it really just changes every time I touch the glass with my pen. I get this laser pointer. It's nice for presenting, and it could be nice if you were collaborating and sharing a screen. Someone could actually see where you're pointing. And then the last one is just a magnifying glass. So if I want to come over here, and I'm going to switch off the magnifying glass real quick to go back to Chrome, and I wanted to zoom in on this picture, right? I can just click and I can zoom in quickly, just on one area of the screen. So that's kind of nice. So all of those tools are built in to this button down here because our new devices are pen enabled.